Hello, this is Douglas Feller, President and CEO of the Shop Market. I'm going to go over a presentation here on my Banks and Wall Street Suck. Here's Your Bailout seminar I do. I'm going to go through this quick because of time constraints. You can always pause and review the screens as you go through it yourself. Here's my disclaimer. This is not legal advice. I'm not an attorney, financial advisor, or tax accountant. Please consult with your appropriate professional before buying or investing. Now, here's the problem. Banks only pay 1 to 2% on CDs. The stock market only averages about 5 or 6%. And to me, these are very low, and the stock market on the side is very risky. So, what I'm going to tell you how and what you can do is earn a rock solid 4 to 20 times more. And so what I end up having is a bailout plan for you too. Okay, here's what I learned long ago and why I did research. I couldn't believe this, but most Americans retire with $55,000 or less in their savings. And the statistics bear out that if you have an IRA, you have about $88,000, and if you don't have an IRA, you only have about $38,000. Sad, but it's true. Now, when you retire and you only have $88,000 in your IRA, that will only bring you on an average stock market return of $385 monthly. So, and you're expected to live another 19 years and pay $215,000 in healthcare costs. Can you say, Houston, we've got a problem? So what are retirees doing to solve this problem? Well, 7 million of them are going back to work only after 18 months of retirement. I'd say this can happen to you if you don't change your game plan. Plus, it's amazing, lottery winners go broke after 18 months, and only after 18 months retirees go back to work. Can you see a pattern here? Having huge sums without stable monthly income is like chasing after fool's gold, people. You must change your game plan as to what is more important when investing. Think about athletes in the NBA, NFL, baseball. You would think after them working 10 years, they retire in their 30s, they'd be financially set for the rest of their life. But it's shocking they go broke within 10 years after retirement. 60% of basketball players go broke within 5 years, and 78% of football players go broke within 2 years. Here's another article I read a long time ago that absolutely shocked me, and why I never invest in the stock market, period. And if you want to be prudent, I would suggest that most of you look elsewhere to put your money if you want to have a nice retirement account. In 1988, the Wall Street Journal had a contest that throwing darts at a newspaper's financial pages could select a portfolio better than the experts could. Amazingly, the pros barely edged the darts by a score of 51 to 49 in the Dow contest. My question is to you, are darts managing your 401k or IRA? The stock market exposed. Do you know that the stock market only averaged 5.256% over the last 40 years? It's not 10% like many, or double digits like many advisors hype. So basically, it's tell me lies, tell me sweet little lies. Here's an education on advertising. Ads stress main points. If a fund averaged 10 to 15% over 40 years, don't you think they would market it to death? But you only see ads for time periods of 1 to 5 years on mutual funds or stocks. Why? Because if you knew that the Dow only averaged this, your chances of investing in the stock market would go down. Let me ask you, can your IRA go down 50% in a month? Yep, it sure did in September 08. How would you like to retire right when your 401k or IRA goes down 50%? This begs a question. Would you rather retire with $1 million in an IRA or $0 monthly income, or zero in an IRA and $8,000 monthly income? Most people choose $1 million in an IRA and no stable monthly income. Why? Because they haven't been taught an alternative strategy that is much more powerful and foolproof. Hence, for me, I'm going to choose $8,000 monthly because it's like having $1.8 million in an IRA. My background: I've been a software developer for over 17 years to home builders and pool builders in the Phoenix, Arizona area. I've been a realtor since 2005, which provides me unparalleled knowledge to combine my construction, real estate, and software insight to create a foolproof wealth building system. What is this wealth building system? It's simple, secure, with rock solid certainty. You totally control the highest rate of return, plus you earn money or you stay even every month. The system is so easy and dummy proof that you never go backwards like the stock market or home values. So how do you build wealth? Wealth is created by building up your monthly income that you control, not by amassing one huge account. Meaning you want to have large monthly income coming in even after you stop working. If I had one slide that you want to study and learn, it is this one, because this is what my system teaches you and why it's more important. If you have a savings 401k IRA plan, then most likely you're robbing yourself. I can show you how to earn $30,000 to $100,000 monthly like a rock star with your own bailout plan. You'll earn exceptional returns you control that are likely to be 4 to 20 times greater than the stock market or bank. Now here's an example that I put $600 monthly over a 40-year period in 3 different vehicles. If I put $600 monthly in a 2% CD, I'm only going to end up with $440,000. In the stock market average, I'm only going to add about $1 million. If you put it in my wealth program that I show you how to do, that's simple and easy and secure, you're going to have about $10 million, and you're going to be earning $30,000 a month. Did you know that if you're earning $30,000 a month, that's like having $6.8 million in your IRA? And here's why, people. If you look at this chart, all of them are based on the banks or someone else setting the rate of return you get. And they're usually very low or risky or go up and down. You have no control. But the monopoly bank concept that I teach you, you can get a high return of 13 to 25% and you control the rate. And it never goes down. And like I said, it's much higher. Here's the bottom line. If you don't set the rate of return, odds of you making a bad investment drastically go up. So, banks and Wall Street suck. Why? You don't set the rate of return, insiders make the big bucks while you earn peanuts. And on your bailout plan, you set the rate of return and receive a secure 4 to 20 times more, where you rob the bank and the stock market 100% of the time for you to make the big bucks instead. Secrets of the rich. They know monthly income where you set the rate month after month is the holy grail of retirement. Now you have the power to think like the rich and earn the monopoly wealth you deserve. For more information, go view the other videos on the website or go to wealthbuildingwizard.com. If you'd like to order, go to our website, theshopmarket.com, and go to the affiliate page or the opportunity page. Okay, go ahead and return to your upline sponsor, click on their link, sign up, and you'll get a free copy of our Wealth Building Wizard Unleashed ebook after you sign up. It's free to join, and Monopoly well to all.